إن عدة الشهور عند الله 12 شهرا في كتاب الله يوم خلق السماوات والأرض منها 4 حرم. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. This is Hamza speaking. Today I will show you how to add a Hijri calendar on your iPhone, and it's gonna look from this to this. So let's jump right into it. The first step you take is go to the settings and scroll down to the calendar. On the second option, it says alternate calendars. Click on that, select the Islamic calendar. When you go back and you check your iPhone, you have the Islamic calendar right there. Also, in this feature, on your calendar, it will have the Islamic calendar there too. If you scroll, you want to look for Ramadan. When is Ramadan? It's going to show you. So we are in Muharram, and Ramadan is in 9 months. And Ramadan is in 13th of April, inshallah. So it's going to be either 13th or 14th. Allahu alam, but this is a feature I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.